जय हिंद दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है साइंस वाला में। आज हम देखने वाले हैं नवनीत गाला का साइंस का क्वेश्चन पेपर 1 सेक्शन नंबर बी। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। सेक्शन बी है 18 मार्क्स का। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन सेक्शन बी का जो कि 25 नंबर। राइट द बैलेंस इक्वेशन ऑफ द रिएक्शन ऑफ जिंक विद डाइल्यूट हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड एंड सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड सॉल्यूशन। तो आंसर है उसका the balance equation of zinc with dilute hydrochloric acid is below. 2HCl plus Zn gives you ZnCl2 plus H2. Second, the balance equation of zinc with sodium hydroxide is below. 2NaOH plus Zn gives you Na2ZnO2 plus H2. 26th question. Define following terms. First term is mineral. The elements or a compound which occur naturally in the earth crust are known as minerals. Second term is ore. The minerals which contain a very high percentage of particular metal and it can be extracted profitably from them are called ore. 27th question. एक्सप्लेन न्यूलैंड्स लॉ ऑफ ऑक्टेव. आंसर इज, देखो इसमें प्रेजेंटेशन बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. हमने पॉइंट वाइज पॉइंट लिखा हुआ है, तो आप एग्जाम इस तरीके से लिखेंगे तो आपको बहुत इजी रहेगा और आपको पूरे चांसेस से पूरे मार्क्स मिलने की. लॉ ऑफ ऑक्टेव, व्हेन मेटल्स आर अरेंज्ड इन ऑर्डर ऑफ देयर इंक्रीजिंग एटॉमिक मासेस, then the properties of every nth element are similar to the property of the first element. Second point, Newland started with hydrogen and ended at thorium. Third point, at the time of Newland, 56 elements were known. Next point, he arranged non-element in increasing order of atomic masses. Next point, Newland said that every nth element had properties similar to the property of the first element. देखो आप सोचोगे कि लो में तो पहले बता दिया था बेटा, यहाँ पे एक्सप्लेनेशन स्टार्ट है, ठीक है. वो तो लो था, लो ऑफ ऑक्टेव था. एग्जाम्पल, लिथियम एंड सोडियम हैज द सेम प्रॉपर्टीज. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 28. What is the relation of electronic structure of an atom with its position in the modern periodic table? The answer is, the position of an element depend on its electronic configuration and its can be determined by the number of valence electron in its electronic configuration. Second point, for example, sodium. तो K इज इक्वल टू 2, L इज इक्वल टू 8 एंड M इज इक्वल टू 1. देखो यहाँ पे K L M जो है वो सेल्स है, ऑर्बिट जिसको हम कहते हैं. फ्रॉम अबोव इट इज क्लियर दैट सोडियम इज बिलोंग टू ग्रुप 1 एज इट हैज 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन इन इट्स वैलेंस सेल एंड इट्स belong to third period of the periodic table as it has 3 cells, that is K, L and M. Okay, next question number 29. Why do living organism reproduce? The first point, the new organisms are produced from their exiting same kind through reproduction. Second point, reproduction is not necessary to maintain the life of an individual organism, as nutrition, respiration, excretion, etc. need. Every organism has a limited lifespan and each one will die. Next point, through the reproduction, new member of each species are produced and continuity of life is maintained. क्यों करते हैं हम? To continue our life. Okay, next, that is 30 question. Give 2 points of difference, that is between homologous organ and analogous organ. 2 marks का है, इसलिए दोनों के 2 पॉइंट लिख देने हैं. The first point in the homologous organ is, first, the structure are same but function are different. First point of analogous, the structure are different but function are same. Second point of homologous, example, lizard 4 limb and human 4 limb. Second point of analogous organ, Example, wings of birds and wings of butterfly. Moving on to the next question, number 31. Define electric potential and state its SI यूनिट. देखो इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल पूछा है, इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस नहीं पूछा गया. ठीक है, तो पहले डिफाइन करना है, बाद में डिफाइन हमें करना है SI यूनिट को भी. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देखो मैं लिखा हुआ है डेफिनेशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल. द वर्क डन इन ब्रिंगिंग ए पॉजिटिव unit charge from infinity to a particular point in the electric field against the electrostatic force due to the electric field is called the electric potential at that point. You can write the formula, that is therefore electric potential is equal to work done upon electric charge. तो ऐसा यूनिट क्या होगा, तो यहाँ पे यूनिट ऑफ वर्क इज इक्वल टू जूल होता है, यूनिट ऑफ चार्ज इज इक्वल टू कूलम होता है. तो ऐसा यूनिट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल इज जूल पर कूलम एंड इज कॉल्ड द वोल्ट. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 32 क्वेश्चन. स्टेट टू मेरिट्स ऑफ पैरेलल कनेक्शन ऑफ रजिस्टर इन द सर्किट. मेरिट्स का मतलब होता है फायदे, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एडवांटेज. सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज if 3 bulbs are connected in parallel and one of the bulb get fused, then the current continue to flow through the other bulbs and they continue to emit light. Second point, क्योंकि 2 मेरिट बोले हैं यहाँ पे, the equivalent resistor in the parallel combination is less than any of the individual resistance, hence current can be obtained, that is more, hence more current can be obtained. Moving on to the 33 question. State the characteristic of magnetic field line. The first point, the direction of the magnetic field at any point is given by the tangent to the field line at that point. Next point, magnetic field lines never cross each other. Next point, the density of the magnetic field line gives the intensity of the magnetic field at any point on the space. Next point, magnetic field lines are always closed and continuous. There is no beginning and the ending of the magnetic field line. Question number 34. What are the problems caused by the non-biodegradable waste that we generate? So it causes biological magnification. Second, it causes pollution in nature. Third, prevent growth of vegetation when dumped underground. Next point, it remain for a long time in environment and may harm various member of ecosystem. Question number 35. How is ozone layer getting depleted? Explain. The first point, the ozone layer in the stratosphere absorbs harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sunlight and it prevents it from reaching the earth. Next point, now due to the cause of releasing of chemical compound containing gases or other human activities, it get depleted. Next point, the main cause are CFC, that is called chlorofluorocarbon, adds chlorine in atmosphere. The chlorine atom react with ozone and remove an atoms of oxygen one by one. This decompose many molecules of ozone, that is O3. CFC cause 80% of the total depletion of ozone. Thus, the main responsible factor for the depletion of ozone layer is CFC. Moving on to next question, number 36. Why is sustainable natural resources management needed? The first point, the demand for all resources is increasing at an exponential rate with increasing human population. Second point, it should be last for the generation to come and will not be exploited for short-term gain. It ensures the equitable distribution for resources and benefit to entire human society. No damage caused to environment during use of resources. Next question, number 37. Mention the significance of the forest. only we have to give 4 points. Significance का मतलब होता है importance. First point, it provide raw material to industries. Second point, it plays an important role in reducing atmospheric pollution. Third, it provide shelter and protection to wildlife. Next, last point, it helps in regulating gaseous cycle of the atmosphere and earth's टेम्परेचर. तो यहाँ पे सेक्शन भी कंप्लीट हुआ. नेक्स्ट वीडियो मिलते हैं सेक्शन सी के साथ. जय हिंद.